It's time for Hyperkin HDMI cable. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about this HDMI cable for your classic Xbox. So not the one, this is the one. And not like the one from the Neo Matrix. No, I'm talking about the Xbox Classic. So if you want to play your old stuff, your old games, your old Xbox on your HD television, this can be a solution for you. We're going to check it out. What are we going to get? It comes with this box and of course a cable inside. So let's take a close look at the cable. So the first thing that I've noticed with this cable is that it is very long. And that is a very positive thing. There is nothing much to tell about it because it comes with this little Hyperkin box in the middle of the cable. You can open it up if you want. And it has two connections. One that goes in the Xbox console and this one goes in your television. That's it. Keep in mind, if you're using a PAL system, or let's say in the region where I live, you need the soft model to reach the 1080i. Keep that one in mind. If you're having a modded system, there will not be a problem, but you're going to need a special tool for it. Alright, let's go!
Days. It's crashing time!
To the elementary school, please. I have a presentation about the joys of science. Hi.
Boring.
Get him, Smithers. How dare you defy...
Alright people, for the final conclusion about the Hyperkin HDMI cable. So the capture you have, or the gameplay you have seen in this video is real life capture with this cable. So So this is what you see is what you're going to get. I've noticed this PCB can get a little bit hot, but that's the only thing that I can complain about. And overall, I am personally very satisfied about it. Very cool that you can play with your old classic Xbox on your HD television with this Hyperkin cable. So let me know what you think of this. Leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little bell. And see you next time. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. Bye bye.